Good morning to every student. Today we are going to discuss second unit. The second unit contains matrix and determinant, and the second chapter is probability. Now we discuss matrices. That is matrix. Matrix is the singular form of the matrices, whereas the matrices is the plural form. So what do we mean by matrix? Matrix means a set of elements which are arranged in the rectangular arrays of rows and columns. किसी एलिमेंट को तुम रो और कॉलम रे और रेक्टेंगुलर फॉर्म रे अरेंजमेंट करिया. That arrangement is called matrix. Row means the elements which are present in a horizontal line is called row, whereas the elements which are present in a vertical line is called column. A rectangular array means the number of elements in each rows are equal, and the number of elements and each columns are also equal. प्रत्येक रो रे सेम नंबर ऑफ एलिमेंट रहे आ प्रत्येक कॉलम रे सेम नंबर ऑफ एलिमेंट रहे. मतलब फर्स्ट रो रे तीन एलिमेंट रखिए मतलब सेकंड रो मध्ये तीन एलिमेंट रखिए. सेमती कॉलम रे दो एलिमेंट रखिए मतलब सेकंड कॉलम मध्ये दो एलिमेंट रखिए. ई प्रकार अरेंजमेंट रे करबा रेक्टेंगुलर एरो और रेक्टेंगुलर. Suppose you have 6 elements. In how many ways these 6 elements are arranged in a rectangular form? 6टा एलिमेंट को आमे 2टा रो कर परिया एवं 3टा कॉलम करी हम, किंबा 3टा रो 2टा कॉलम करी परिया, किंबा 1 rows and 6 columns and or 6 rows and 1 column. 6टा एलिमेंट को 2टा रो 3टा कॉलम कर परिया, 3टा रो 2टा कॉलम कर परिया, गोटे रो 6टा कॉलम कर परिया, किंबा 6टा रो नहीं गोटे कॉलम मध्ये कर परिया. Like that, this arrangement we write here 1 2 3 4 5 6. This is one type of arrangement. In that arrangement we write 2 rows and 3 columns, so its order is 2 cross. This is a matrix of order 2 cross. This one first row and this one the second row. This is the first column, second column, and this is the third column. Or you can make also 3 rows and 2 columns. 3 rows 1 2 3 4 5 6. 3 rows and 2 columns, and its order is 3 cross 2. Or you can make 6 rows 1 2 3 4 5 6. Here 6 rows are there. Horizontal line is called row. So 6 rows and 1 column. Or you can make also 1 2 3 4 5 6. 6 rows and 1 column. So order ta likhila hai, first we write row, then we write column, and the number of elements present in that matrix is equal to row multiplied by column. That is the number of rows into number of columns is equal to total number of elements present in that matrix. So suppose you have also 24 elements. How many different order matrices are possible by taking 24 elements? 24 elements को लेंगे केतोटी different order matrix possible कर पारियो. 24 element means you write 2 cross 12, or you can make 12 cross 2, or you can make 3 cross 8, or 8 cross 3, or you can make 4 cross 6, or 6 cross 4 also, or 1 cross 24, or you can make 24 cross 1. So how many different order matrices? There are 8 different order matrices are possible by taking 24 elements. तो 24 टा एलिमेंट को लेके आमे 8 different order matrices आमे ऑपरेशन कर पाया. Similarly, suppose you have 29 elements. How many different order matrices are possible by taking 29 elements? Here you can make 1 cross 29 or 29 cross 1. So there are 2 different order matrices by taking 29 elements. Next, actually, what is the definition of the matrix? So, such type of arrangement is called a matrix. Now, definition of the matrix. Definition. A set of mn elements which are arranged in a rectangular array. Rectangular array means like that. This form is called rectangular array, or this one is also rectangular array, or double bar. This form is also called rectangular array. This is the structure of rectangular arrays of m rows and n columns, each called a matrix of order n cross n. That is, mn elements are arranged in a rectangular arrays of n rows and n columns is called a matrix of order n plus n. Every matrix are denoted by capital letters A, B, C, D, X, etc. Every matrix are denoted by capital letters. And M cross N matrix and M cross N matrix is usually written as that is M cross N matrix को हम usually represent करिया तार expansion formula लिखिबा, and that matrix is equal to capital A equal to, so this is equal to A11, A12, okay, A13, A1J, A1N. Yet second group A21, A22, A23, A2J, and this is A2N. Next, write ninth row AI1, AI2, AI3, AIJ, AIN. Then write nth row AM1, AM2, AM3, AMJ, AMN. So an M cross N matrix is usually written in this ways. Here A11, A12, A13, A1Z, all these are called elements or entries of the matrix. The elements which are present in horizontal line is called row, and the elements which are present in the vertical line is called column. So this one is the first row, this one is the second row, and this one is the ith row, and this one is the nth row. This is the first column, second column, third column, jth column, and this is the nth column. So in the matrix contains m number of rows, m rows, and n number of columns, and the number of element is equal to m into n, that is the number of rows multiplied by number of columns, and right this number is n plus Aij. This element Aij is called general element. This is called a general element which is present ith row in jth column. I represent row and j represent column. Suffix first suffix represent row and the second suffix represent column. Like that A22 be the element which is present second row in second column. AM3 which is present mth row in third column. AM2 means which is present mth row in second column. Then matrix element को रो को कॉलम अछि हम डायरेक्टली डिटरमिनेशन करि परिया लाइक दैट ai2 means ith row in second column, ith row second column रे अछि. So this is the m cross n matrix is usually written in this way. Now this m cross n matrix written in a compact form, because every matrix also represented in compact form. Its compact form is compact form is capital A is equal to, because this matrix is equal to capital A is equal to Aij of order n plus n. तो compact form को देखिला बेले हम जनरल एलिमेंट सब बेले यूज करिया. जनरल एलिमेंट लिखिला पर तार ऑर्डर जति थियो सेति लिखिया. फॉर एग्जांपल constructs a 2 cross 2 matrix whose elements Aij is equal to 2i minus 3j, whose elements Aij is equal to 2i minus 3j. जार element point na 2i minus 3j. So how can we represent its matrix? Answer. First we write the matrix in compact form. Its compact form is equal to Aij of order 2 cross 2. Means we make a matrix having 2 rows and 2 columns. So this is equal to, we write this matrix expansion form is usually present A11, A12 means we have 2 rows and 2 columns. So we take in this way A11, A12, and this is A22, A21, and A22. Suppose we make 2 cross 3 means we have to write A11, A12, A13, and A21, A22, A23. Here 2 rows and 2 columns means we write in this way A11, A12, A21, A22. So element here Aij is equal to 2i minus 3j. Aij, that is Aij equal to 2i minus 3j. First we find A11, A12. So what is A11? A11 means we substitute I is equal to 1 and j is equal to 1. A11 टाइम बोले I जगह में 1 पकेगा, j जगह में 1 पकेगा. So 2 into 1 minus 3 into 1, 2 minus 3 is equal to minus 1. A1 2 substitute to I is equal to 1 and j is equal to 2. 2 into 1 minus 3 into 2. So the 2 minus 6 is equal to minus 2. Then A to 1. A to 1. So A to 1 means here you substitute I equal to 2 and j is equal to 1. 2 into 2. 2 into 2 minus 3 into 1. So this is 4 minus 3 1. A to 2 means 2 into 2 minus 3 into 2. So this is 4 minus 6. 4 minus 6 is equal to minus 2. So we substitute the value of A11, A12, A21, A22 in that matrix. So A is equal to, and this matrix A is equal to, that is capital A is equal to A11 means minus 1, A12 means minus 2, A12 means 1, and this is equal to minus 2. Minus 1, minus 4, then 1, minus 2. So it's a model instant. So in this way, we can construct the matrix. Then we go to types of matrix. So many types of matrix are there. First is types of matrix. Types of matrix. First is row matrix. Row matrix. A matrix having one row is called row matrix. Only one row is called a row matrix. For example, 2 minus 5 7. This is a row matrix because its matrix containing one row but 3 column. So it's always 1 plus 3. Always 1 plus 3. Or you can take another example. Minus 5, 7, 8, 9, 10. So what is its order? One row, but how many column? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So its order is 1 plus 5. Okay. Next, column matrix. Column matrix. What is column matrix? A matrix having one column is called column matrix. It's called column matrix. For example, 4, 5, minus 3. It is a column matrix because here only one column is there, but 3 rows. It is always 3 plus 1 or 4, 5. It is always 2 plus 1 and its order is 1 plus 1. So those matrix having only one column is called a column matrix. Next we go to rectangular matrix. Rectangular matrix. Rectangular matrix. So what do you mean by rectangular matrix? A matrix having m rows and n columns. M rows and n columns, but m not equal to n. M rows and n columns, like that 2 rows and 3 columns, 3 rows and 5 column, 7 rows and 8 column, like that. M rows and n columns, but m not equal to n is called a rectangular matrix. Rectangular matrix. Okay, for example, 1 minus 2 3 4 5 6. It is a rectangular matrix and its order is 2 rows and 3 column. 5 1 2 2 4 7. It is also rectangular matrix. Its order is 2. These are called the rectangular matrix. Next, so the next matrix is square matrix. So square matrix. Square matrix. A matrix having number of rows is equal to number of columns. Number of rows is equal to number of columns is called square matrix. Is called square matrix. Means a rectangular matrix is said to be square matrix if n is equal to n. N equal to n. Let capital A is equal to Aij. This is the compact form of the matrix. Be a square matrix. Square matrix of order n plus n. It is a matrix of order n plus n, or you can say also that it is a square matrix of order n. Square means number of rows is equal to number of columns. That is called a square matrix. So in that square matrix, the elements A11, A22, A33, dot ANN, A11 is the element which are present first row in first column. A22 present second row in the second column. Here third row in third column. And ANN be the element which is present nth row in nth column are called diagonal elements. These elements are called diagonal elements. So, जो स्क्वायर मैट्रिक्स रो फर्स्ट रो फर्स्ट कॉलम नथियो, सेकंड रो सेकंड कॉलम नथियो, थर्ड रो थर्ड कॉलम नथियो, फोर्थ रो फोर्थ कॉलम नथियो, nth रो nth कॉलम नथियो, सेही एलिमेंट को हम कहबा diagonal elements, and the other elements are called non diagonal elements. एही एलिमेंट को छाडला परे आउ जते बड़ एलिमेंट अछि all are called non diagonal elements. But the line where these diagonal elements are present is called diagonal or main diagonal, and that is also called principal diagonal, or it is also called leading diagonal. ତେଣୁ ଡାଇଗୋନାଲ ଏଲିମେଣ୍ଟ ଗୁଡ଼ିକ जो लाइन होउछंती दैट लाइन इज कॉल्ड डायगोनल or principal diagonal or leading diagonal of that matrix. Okay, so these elements are called the diagonal element. Diagonal element को जो लाइन रहउछंती ताको हम कहबा diagonal of the matrix or principal diagonal or leading diagonal. For example 4 minus 5 7 2 3 1 4 7 9. This is a square matrix because its order is it's 3 rows and 3 columns, so it is a square matrix of order 3 or it is a matrix of order 3 rows. अब हमें ये लिख पारिया ये जो एलिमेंट तो रोइला which element this is a11 a22 a33. So this 4 3 9 are called diagonal elements, except diagonal element all are called non diagonal element. And this diagonal, this line is called diagonal, and that is also called principal diagonal or leading diagonal. A double diagonal really called diagonal. And another example 4 5 7 1. This is also square matrix of order 2 equals to. Okay, and this element 4 12 is called diagonal elements, and this element 4 and 12 is called diagonal of the matrix or leading diagonal of the matrix. So square matrix is number of rows is equal to number of columns. That matrix is called square matrix. But every square matrix is associated a numerical value or associated an expression that is called determinant of that matrix. I mean matrix called determinant learning from every square matrix. प्रत्येक square matrix to numerical value अछि और expression अछि, and that expression or its numerical value is called determinant. Okay, you understand the square matrix. Next we go to diagonal, that is called diagonal matrix. After square matrix we need diagonal matrix. Diagonal matrix. Diagonal matrix. What is diagonal matrix? A square matrix. Square matrix. Capital A is equal to Aij of order n is said to be diagonal matrix is said to be diagonal matrix if Aij is equal to 0 for all I not equal to j, for all I not equal to j, that is all the elements except diagonal, all the elements except diagonal elements are 0 is called diagonal matrix. Diagonal matrix. So what is diagonal matrix? A square matrix A is equal to Aij of order n is said to be diagonal matrix if Aij is equal to 0 or I not equal to j. I is equal to j, so diagonal element is ना नहीं डायगोनल एलिमेंट को छाड़ देले आउ जब यदि नॉन डायगोनल एलिमेंट को 0 थिबो that is called the diagonal matrix. All the elements except diagonal elements are 0 is also called the diagonal matrix. For example 3 0 0 0 7 0 0 0 9. This is a diagonal matrix. This is called a diagonal element. This is a diagonal matrix, and this is also represented diagonally 3 7 9. So a diagonal matrix also represented in this way, diagonally 3 7 9. Let's take another example of second order. 10 0 0 1. This is also diagonal matrix because diagonal element are not 0 and non-diagonal element are 0, and this matrix also represented in this way, diagonally 10 1. So diagonal matrix are negative रूप में लिख पाएंगे. Diagonally 10 1 means it is a square matrix of order 2. Diagonal element is 10 1. It is a square matrix of order 3. Diagonal element is 3 7 9. 3 7 9. Diagonal matrix taboo. Diagonal element 3 7 9. All the elements are 0. Next, scalar matrix. After diagonal matrix, we say scalar matrix. Scalar. So what do we mean by scalar matrix? So what do we mean by scalar matrix? Square matrix. Square matrix A is equal to Aij of order n cross n is said to be scalar matrix. Scalar matrix if Aij is equal to k or I equal to j and k not equal to 0, and 0 or I is equal to or I not equal to j.